You'll see how to fix Nvidia display settings not available in your Windows. So first you need to go to services, and once this pop-up will appear, you need to scroll down and check for Nvidia settings. Yes, you need to right click the Nvidia settings and go to properties, and here the startup type should be in automatic mode. If it should be in automatic, and click apply and click OK, and the service status should be in running mode. Do it for all the Nvidia's settings. Right click and go to properties. After that, startup type should be in automatic and apply, and the service status should be in running mode. If it stop means you need to start it, and after click OK. After Nvidia local system container, right click and go to properties. In this startups, it should be in automatic and apply, and the service status should be in running mode, and click OK. And make sure all the Nvidia should be in running mode, and go back. And after that, you need to go to a device manager. Click the device manager. In this pop-up menu, you need to scroll down and go to display adapters, and go to Nvidia GeForce and update to drivers. You can update the driver by using this, or else you can update by using the software also. So both should be, but you need to do anyone is okay. And after that, go to settings and go for Windows update, and make sure your Windows is up to date. And also sometimes the drivers update also comes under Windows update, so make sure your Windows is up to date. After that, restart your PC to make it effect.